Hello! In this video, we're going to provide an explanation of the admin services. Firstly, let's understand what admin services are and what they include. Admin services are utilized for various purposes within our product. They allow providers who wish to connect with our platform to do so directly, offering specific services in which they are experienced. The admin services enable the admin to add different services and appointments for specific cities. This is why we have included the admin service feature in our product. Now, let's explore our admin services. Within the admin services, you'll select the business info. There, you can see the admin service section. In this section, you'll find the service list and the city prices. When you access the admin services, the first thing you'll encounter is the service list. This list originates from the business section under the business tab. Whenever you add any services, all the information will be displayed in the admin services list. All the services you add are linked to the business part, as they are added as business services. Now, we're going to focus on cleaning services. Here, you'll see the services we've already added. When you want to add a new service, you first need to add that service as a business part of the services. After doing so, you'll be able to view it here. Next, add the subcategory for selected service. Next, add a first subcategory for selected service. Here, you click on the Add button to be able to add subcategories. In the subcategory part, you can view the subcategory name and sequence number. So, what is the use of the sequence number? This sequence number is utilized on our website when showing the data. We display it according to our sequence. After setting the sequence number, click on the Submit button to add your subcategory. You can also edit your subcategory. To do so, click on the Edit button, allowing you to edit the subcategory. Moving on to the Add Item section, here you can see the item name, subcategory, and description, among other details. We'll go through the Add Items process on our services, step by step. Firstly, for the item info, you add your item name. You can also add other languages, as they are referred to in different languages. Then, you see the subcategory part. Here, you can view all the subcategories that have been added. If you want to add an item as part of a subcategory, you can do that too. You can select any subcategory. After that, you can add the description for your item in different languages, English and Arabic, for example. You can also add languages. This toggle is designed to control the visibility of an item to the user. If you want the item to be shown on the website or even in the app, this toggle makes it possible. If there are items you do not want to provide, you can disable this toggle with a click. When the toggle is off, the user will not be able to view these services on the website. This toggle is essential for managing the visibility of services on the website. When it's off, the user cannot view the service on either the website or the app. Moving on to the next feature, we have the Is Available toggle. This toggle indicates whether a particular service is currently available. We offer this amazing functionality within our platform. If the toggle is on, our customers can see the service on our platform. Conversely, if the toggle is off, our customers are notified that the service is not available at the moment. Regarding the sequence number, you can set the order in which items are displayed on the platform. After setting the sequence number, click on the Next button. You will then be able to add images by clicking on the Add button. You can upload any image or even multiple images for a service on our platform. Click on the Customize item. Here, you can also add a modifier. Think of a modifier as offering any additional services, for example, room cleaning. In room cleaning, if you wish to provide special additional services, you can add them here. For instance, we can add a full hotel, including the room. You can also add a modifier and then click on the Update button. Keep adding modifiers as needed. This functionality allows you to offer additional services. Once you're done, click on the Save button and you have successfully added your services to our platform. Similarly, this applies to appointments. You can see that we're able to add our doctor appointments, which is very similar to adding services. If you wish to add any subcategories, you can do so here. Furthermore, if you want to add any items, you can also add them here. Next, we will move on to the category part. To add a category, you must first add a subcategory. Only after adding the subcategory can you proceed to add the category. In this section, you can edit and add new categories. Click on the Add New button, and from there, you can begin adding categories. Remember, it is essential to add a name and an image for each category. It's also mandatory to add subcategories, which you would include under the main category. Here, you can view the various types of categories available. After that, we assign a sequence number to each. The sequence number is consistent when users view this category type. We provide this sequence, sequentially, on both our website and apps. This sequence is purely for defining the categories. After that, we come to an important part: making items visible to the user. If you want to disable a category for users, you can do so. However, if the toggle is on, users will be able to see this category on our website and apps. Conversely, if the toggle is off, users will not be able to see this category on our platform. This is the category we are adding. When you are managing any admin services, including appointments, it is mandatory to first add the subcategory. Only after that can you add items and then categories. This is the flow of adding items and services in the admin part. Following this flow, we move on to modifiers. Here, you can view the modifier and also have the ability to add a modifier. When adding a modifier, a name is required. You can add names in different languages. Subsequently, there is a toggle to decide if the modifier category is visible to the user. If you wish to show this category, you can turn on the toggle. If the toggle is off, then customers will not see this modifier on the website or app. When you want to edit, simply click the Edit button. First, we add the category. After that, we can add modifiers. Let's explore how to add a category and how to add a modifier. Here, we add the category, and then we can modify the category. Now, we're going to modify a name. Here, you can see the Teeth and Bones X-ray. Click on Save, and you will then be able to view the teeth and bone X-rays. Following that, you can click on Edit to add the modifier. At this point, you can add the modifier. You can include the digital X-ray and set the price. You can also add a sequence number. The sequence number works similarly to the category, subcategory, and item. After configuring, click on the Save button. From here, you can manage the modifiers. You can mute or add another. The process is the same for adjusting the price and sequence number. You can add multiple modifiers within the modifier categories. When you're finished, click the Save button. Then you'll be able to see the modifier names. This is the category, and these are the modifiers. This shows the workflow of modifiers. Next, we will move on to setting the city price. So, concerning city prices, let's examine how we can add our appointments and services, including admin appointments and admin services, within our platform. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have understood the process of how to add admin services and admin appointments within our platform.